Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to put digital creator on Facebook profile. So first make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first step will be is to open our application, Facebook application, and make sure that you are connected to your uh, profile, of course, or your account. After logging into your account, you will need to go to your profile. To do so, you go to this navigation bar, you click on your profile, and basically here you can see your profile. To go to the settings, you will need just to click on the 3 point dots here. You click on it, and it will take you to the profile settings. So basically now we want to verify our not verify, but turn on the professional mode on our profile or account. To do so, we will need just to go to turn on professional mode. You will find it here on the bottom. We click on it, and here we will find turn on. After clicking on turn on, we will be able to have the professional mode on our account. So basically after that, we will need just to click on continue and we will have our professional account. So now you have enabled your digital creator or your professional mode. So basically now we need just to go back and here we have the professional mode or we have the create digital creator on our profile. So basically if you want to advertise, you can start your own ads by boosting a post, by paying post, you can create a new ad, etc. And of course, there is this dashboard that shows you the performance of your profile. And basically, whenever you want to turn off this digital creator mode, you can just go and turn off professional mode at any time and click on turn off, and that's it. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.